Hi, I have a meme page on Instagram that posts memes from Reddit. But guess what? Here's the twist. I don't post the memes. I have a bot that's running that posts the memes. I will give the source code in the description. And this is what a meme looks like. It has a background with a random color that is generated every time a meme gets posted. And the meme gets posted on that color. So it's a specific resolution that Instagram likes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a follow on my Instagram account. And this is another account which has memes or shit posts. Please give me a follow.